Xiaomi already has for sale the new Redmi Buds 6 Lite, which by the way have just been presented in China after their previous global debut. However, despite the fact that they were presented a few days ago, I had not told you about their features or price, so I proceed to do so. These headphones come available in a range of blue, white, and black colors. The most attractive thing about them is their price, as they are ultra-affordable headphones, which in Mexico have been announced at a price of 299 pesos. But remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. But although generally in Mexico the prices are much higher, it seems that these headphones still have a very attractive and very competitive price. For example, they have 12.4mm titanium-coated drivers large enough to generate good bass. In addition, through their app you can access 4 equalization presets or a custom equalization. It does not support very high resolution audio codec, but at least it does support the AAC codec, which is not available in some budget headphones. Also, curiously, they do offer noise cancellation, and in this case up to 42 decibels, which is quite attractive, especially considering that they are ultra-affordable headphones. They also feature noise cancellation technology against wind noise for clearer calls. And as for their battery, they offer you individually 7 hours according to official figures and up to 36 hours considering the charging case. In addition, they also include fast charging, so with 10 minutes of plugging them into charge, they can give you 2 hours of playback. It's worth noting a special feature of these headphones in conjunction with Xiaomi devices, because these headphones do support Xiaomi's audio sharing feature, Redmi and Little. That is, you can connect 2 pairs of headphones so that you with a friend or an additional person can each enjoy 2 headphones and enjoy stereo sound, instead of having to share a headphone one person and a headphone the other person. Although it should be noted that this feature is only available on flagship models. Let me know if you would like me to do a full review of these headphones so you can get them.